I give you my heart.
Alright guys, back out here. Just got back from Walmart. It's 11:45. So I should have ample time to get this put in. Show you some things I got since last night. Because last night I tried to set this up and I couldn't. I was having problems with that side post battery. You know, not that one, but I got the other one. I had to put one back in my car just to drive it. So, but I got some better terminals for this, for temporary, because one of our subscribers, Tony, has said that he has sent me some bus bar ones, which is very nice of him, and I really appreciate that, Tony. Thank you, dude. Man, you're awesome. He said some other things too, so we'll check that out when that comes in. But anyway, for now, I'll show you what I just went and picked up for temporary. You know, what I could get without having to order it or come in. And there's no car audio places around here open on Sunday. So, this is what I got from Wally World. You know, I think these are 4 gauge in the front or something. And I think those are 8 gauge. You know, it's got 4 input spots. But I think I can get that welding cable, because when you clip it and it's real clean at first, I think I might be able to slide it in there. I might have to take a couple strands off, but I'm going to have to make it work. These are what I had got from O'Reilly's. They're going back. I don't need them. So I'm going to use these instead. I got this for the side post because the factory stuff wasn't that great. So I'm going to cut the wire and put it on this. And I got longer bolts instead of the bolt that's on there. I got extended bolts. So that way I can put a lug on it, you know, with like a lock washer or something. I don't remember why I got the Gorilla Glue. I needed it for something, but it's always good to have some Gorilla Glue. And then I got 2 things of duck electric tape. And then I got some more solder because I was out. I need to solder that other clip monitor I got, because I got 2 clip monitors. I got one set up for for this 8K, but I got another one that's with the Smart 3, and I got to repair it because I accidentally pulled that cable out, because they're built kind of cheap. I don't know why Taramps makes those things so small. I mean, that'd be way awesomer if they were like bigger, you know, fatter. And they got that little tiny hole on each side of it to put a screw through. I mean, a real tiny screw too, dudes. So they really need to update that thing. I mean, it's nice to have that clip monitor, but I think they should make a nice metal one. And maybe a bass knob, but I mean, that might be asking too much. I already got a bass knob anyway. I cut in between my signal from my head unit to my amplifiers, so I always have control of that. Anyway, I'm about to go out here and try to get this set up. It's not too bad out today, thank God. And I'll show y'all. There's the tins. They're just sitting here. They ain't going back in. Not right now anyway. At least we're going to see what happens. But it's fairly nice out. I mean, it's still a little cloudy, but it's warmer than it was yesterday. Let's see. I just hooked that up like that last night. But I mean, it's a pain in the ass doing side post batteries like that, but that's what it is. So anyway, look, that water in there. I know it looks nasty in there. I ain't cleaned it in a while, but that's ice. Look, watch. See that shit? Look. That's how cold it is out, dudes. Anyway, that's the piece that goes in over top of the batteries in the trunk. It's some old chipboard. It's what I had back then. I've had it in there a long time. I'm going to end up replacing that, getting the shape and cutting it out of birch and making the whole trunk birch and put the clear coat on it like that. But one thing at a time, man. You know, I do this by myself, so everything takes time, which I never ever have. Got some today though, so let's get on this. Let's get this thing in there. Yeah, guys, those things I bought really worked out. Check it out. I got the ground coming in, 0 gauge. Put a couple washers. Put the 0 gauge wire ground going out. I have to probably cut that lug off, because it's going to go to, those runs are going to go to the AGM battery. So same thing here, but I got 2 powers going to it. That got the 0 gauge welding cable that I bought, and the factory 4 gauge from the alternator, both going to the post. Then from here, that American base 0 gauge is going to go to the AGM. So it worked out, man. These things, these bolts here are lead as well. See, these things I was using, see what it was doing? That's why it wasn't stripping the battery, it was stripping the heads on these, because this is weaker metal. These came, the extended bolts came with these spacers, but I didn't need them. They were actually too big. I had to use 2 of these washers instead. But that worked out. I mean, that'll work for now. Now I just gotta throw the board back in and start working on hooking the amps up. Or no, I gotta hook these wires to the other battery and start working from that. I'll show you guys how I just put this piece of chipboard back. It's 3/4 inch. Just use a couple little braces so it keeps the wood kind of sturdy, you know. See, I got a little triangle cut out for the RCAs, the remote wire, and the clip monitor. Back here, a little wedge cut out so the ground and power could come up to the other battery I got. So just want to show you that real fast. That way I got access to the batteries. I can just unscrew those and I'm good. We're getting there, guys. Trying to figure out all this wiring takes a while, but so this battery don't move, you know. I got 3/4 inch plywood there, so I got an old scrap piece of cut off of 45. I'm gonna cut it down to size, but you know how you have the things for the lip, this will go right up against it, so that lip will hold it right in place. Let's flip the 45 upside down. See there? Perfect, dudes. You gotta think, bro, outside the box, save yourself some money. All right, guys, I moved the box around. I put it back like I had it before. I haven't sealed it off yet. I put that board behind it again, kind of block it off some. My brake light thing fell off. It's on the floor down there. I don't know if I'm gonna put that back on anyway, because I'm gonna end up putting wood up there. I might take the headliner out sooner or later. I don't know yet. But putting them up there, they sound better like that. I definitely need more batteries. I turned it up the most that I can. I got it to where it sounded almost as good as when I had the 10s and the 15s. So the 15s by themselves like that, it ain't bad. I'll show you the trunk again. I'm at the car wash. That way I can show you guys, because you can't see. It's nighttime. Say, what do you guys think? Oops. These wires, I gotta straighten them out. I had to put a little short piece onto it. Might have to take them 10s out of that box tomorrow and get a piece of that wire and add to the wire. I know these wires are a little, but it's best I could do it with what wire I had. I might have to order more 0 gauge and all that and redo this. Need about 2 more of these batteries. It's charging at 14.9 right now. Drops down into the 13s. But if I turn it up real loud, it's probably going below 11. But anyway, I'm gonna do a song real quick. There's somebody here at the car wash at the other end, so I don't want them to get mad. But I'll try to show you guys. My box though, it's tuned to 35. That other box that the 10s are in is tuned to 32. That's why I had 2 different frequencies. So I can't play real low stuff like I did before. But I got this song here we're getting ready to play. It's called First Day Out or something like that. Anyway, let's check it out.
Popping cones and attracting hoes. This is DJ Rustical. Oh Lord, I'm dripped in sauce. Up goes the lamb doors. I'm paid in full. Fresh home, I'm still winning. They ask me how a nigga feeling. I'm too blessed to be stressed. I got the sauce and it's spilling. a chain. It's ER in my veins. What you go super safe? Go to eat the dick up like gold. When I'm in the bitch, I got a body called Rover. Plugged up like a charger. Half a box in that car. So I took to my Prada. And they threw me in the box. I put that shit in the box. And I'm free of all charges. Now the only way's up. Bus chase, no bell. Swag it off, no sell. Had me all up in the papers. No comment, no statement. Dress code, so fly. Get money, live life. My niggas from the six. It's ER till I die. Dress code, live life. NPR, speaking Spanish. ER, everyone's rich. Don't compare me to the average. Oh Lord, oh Lord. I'm dripped in sauce. Up goes the lamb doors. I'm paid in full. Fresh home, I'm still winning. They ask me how a nigga feeling. I'm too blessed to be stressed. I got the sauce and it's spilling. I started to on my Bible. Feeling tense through trials. All of my niggas are loyal. I'm winning royals. People being in the mood. The sauce man, see home. You run up fresh home. My team so chill, they know when I touch the road, the net froze. ER, everything's relevant, hurricane back to the throne. Free my bros, they need to let Lola home. We ain't playing blow to blow.
Alright, I got it charging up a little bit. It's at 14.8, almost at 14.84. I'm still dropping volts though, but I mean it's hitting pretty decent. I gotta wait till it's daylight again so I can tune it better. But I definitely need at least 2 more of these big batteries. Have them, put them all back there. I might redo all this once I get more wire and stuff, and I'll do it right. But just for today, got it in here. It's a little warm. I was jamming it. I went up to that car wash and back. It's a good ways down there. This Class AB 4-channel's hotter than this though, so it's not bad. I think I did a terrible job. What do you guys think? It's starting to charge up. It'll go to 14.9, but I played the crap out of it. That box, I don't know if I like it. Seems like I tuned it too high. I should have tuned it lower. I might rebuild another one. That's why I ain't selling it off yet. Anyway, hope you guys like that demo. I'm gonna fix it up a little better. I'll post some more during the week when I get a little better. Especially when I get that stuff from Tony. He's sending me some better bus bars, so I'll redo it. So I'll show you that stuff that he sends me and everything, and everything else. But I got one more song I'll play at the end here. I know it ain't the best quality. I mean, I just tuned it the best I could when it was dark. I want to really set this thing right in the radio with it. So I'll get it all right, but at least I got it all in, and I know this thing works. I'm happy about that. And this thing is a beast. It's pushing those 215s. Remember, before I had the 15s and the 10s, and I almost got it sounding as good as I did with both with the 10s and the 15s, with just the 15s. So I'm happy about that. So anyway, I'm getting cold. I got to get in and get ready for tomorrow. So please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate all the support. Got a lot of good upcoming videos, so stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bass dropping, pussy popping, ain't no stopping. DJ Rusticles.
I got that 8-gauge power improvement, multiple runs, and we started this movement. Bitch, you ain't got shit about 8-gauge. Keep it in the magazine on the front page. It's the barbecue sauce because it's John Ray. Skyhawk brother, I'll be running the best. You see the wire? That's a mo, that's a less. Man, that OSC ain't nice. Can't be rippers in that 8-gauge life. 8-gauge for life, 8-gauge for life. Yeah, I got that A-gauge, chillin' at the barbecue with John Ray. Just up the house, scraping and dipping. So smelly, dipping, shit, clipping for what I'm wishing. That the weather clears up, the barbecue's Reno, man, that's what's up. Damn, sky high truck. Big ass line, hella people stepping up to beat his nuts. It's not like Captain for cereal. I'm a lyrical miracle, got the subtle for steering while I got that English material. Such as that imperial. Shit, I'm so sick, man, I need the antibacterial. Damn, that ain't no second place rap. I said it, won't take it back. Yeah, I got that A-gauge, chillin' at the barbecue with John Ray. Yeah, I got that A-gauge, chillin' at the barbecue with John Ray.